Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world in 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be disagree? Who am I to disagree?